Hello everyone! Today, Enbon will introduce the spherical LED display. The spherical LED display is a common special-shaped LED display. I believe everyone is also very curious about the assembly process and display effect of the spherical LED display. Let's follow Enbon to learn more. High-quality lamp beads. High definition, all round without blind spots. A complete spherical display cabinet needs to be divided into several parts for assembly, and each part is assembled with modules, power boxes, receiving cards, power cables, network cables, etc. The module assembly order is determined by the assembly method of the cabinet. When the cabinet is placed on the ground, the modules are assembled from top to bottom. When the cabinet is hoisted, the modules are assembled from bottom to top. When assembling, follow the order of circles to ensure the integrity of the sphere. After assembly, check for gaps. If there are any gaps, make adjustments. The assembled spherical LED display is being debugged. The spherical LED display screen, after debugging, is subjected to aging test. Disassembly of the spherical LED display after aging test. First remove the module, then remove the cabinet, and then pack and seal the cabinet. Interested, please contact us to provide you with the best quality service.